Hey everybody, Jim with Homespark Knife Sharpening. We got a couple of knives in. So we are going to go ahead and get these sharpened up. Take care of this first thing in the morning. While it's still cool out here in the shop. Because I'll tell you what, 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, it is sweltering out here. So we're going to go ahead and start with our Cubitron P120 on the buck tool slow speed. And these are really dull. I kind of knew when I started. These are probably going to take a little extra. Now you can see that burr running on there. I'm not quite getting the burr at the very bottom here and the very top there. Okay, now it looks like we're getting there. Okay, happy with that. Let's move to the Trizac A30. I think I'm going to have to get a new belt on here. This one seems to be bouncing a little bit. I think it's where the belt is put together. I think it's starting to, that seam is starting to come apart a little bit. I'm going to go once more on this. Not quite happy with the way it's. Just not really seeing. Not seeing the burr the way I like it. Hit this a little bit of water. Seems like we're getting a little warm on the knife. See how that's bouncing? I think that's the seam in that belt. Okay, now I think we're there. Okay, I think we'll head over here and we'll get the this is like a cloth belt. This just kind of refines the edge. That's all it's really doing. Okay. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to finish this up on the leather wheel. Okay, let's do a little bit of cleanup on these. We'll see where we're at. Okay. See, here's the thing. If you guys can see this. See this right here? See that black line? That is compound from, I believe that's the green compound that's doing that. So, one of the things we want to do is make sure that we get all that off. Somebody really went at this thing sharpening before, it looks like. And then one of the things that I like to do when I do these knives is if I take this microfiber, I know a lot of people use their thumbnail. You go like that. I do it along the microfiber. I'm just going real light. Look, I'm not putting any pressure on it. Just going along it. And if there is burr on there, like this, I don't know if you can see it or hear it, but there's still some burr on there. It's very light, but it's there. Let's get it cleaned up and see. But you can actually feel it sticking to the microfiber cloth. So that's why I like using the microfiber cloth to test these. Smooth. That one feels good. Yep, no drag, maybe a little drag right at the top. There we go. Okay, let's grab some paper. Let's see where we're at. I'm going to tilt this up a little bit. So you can see what's going on. Paper's curling on me. Okay, liking that. See how the other knife has come out. I can hardly even hold the paper straight because it's so wet. Paper just wants to curl. Okay, so we're looking good. Like those two, that's all there is to it. They're all cleaned up. All we're going to do here is grab a couple of our sheaths, slide these in. Is that really? Sure is. I still got a compound on this knife. Wow. I'm not sure if that's... I should have looked at it a little closer maybe before. I sharpened it. I'm wondering if that's from me. I mean, I know my compound sometimes sticks on these. But usually, I don't get that much. I mean, that's really thick on there. Okay. A lot of light helps. Now I got to check this one again and see. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Last thing I want to do is return to a customer with a bunch of compound on it. Okay, so there's one. There's two. We're all done. If you guys could, I'd sure appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Helps our little channel grow. And it helps our business out. And we'll get everything put away. Like so. And we're all set. Okay, guys. As soon as we get some more in, we'll do another video. Appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day.